I want my man back to how we started, but don't know how. Let's get into the video to know how. Hello lovelies, welcome to Loveliness by Nature. How are you today? Thank you for clicking on my channel. If you're here to subscribe, kindly press the subscribe button, and to all my returning lovelies, thank you. Remember to press the bell icon for notification, comment down below, and do not forget to share it to all your loved ones. Make him fall in love with you again. This indicates you both were in love before. Along the line, things start falling apart due to things that you cannot really lay your finger as the root cause. This might be due to many pressures around you. Could be job stress, child raising, hustle and bustle of daily life, money issue, maybe it's in debt, or you just don't look attractive again. Or maybe there's a side chick somewhere in the corner. These and many more could be the root cause of why him or you or even both of you are falling out of love. However, don't beat yourself too much because you are not alone. Isn't that reassuring? Now that we know there is a problem, let's look at things that we can do to reverse the situation to how you both started at the beginning. 1. Give him space. During this space giving period, work on yourself. Work on your social and physical attraction. Your relationship begins from the first look. Even before you talk together, this is how you look. It's your look that got him attracted to you. Ladies, do you agree with me that at the beginning of your love affair, you wouldn't dare of letting him see you without looking and dressing your best? Even going to visit him, you put a lot of effort, the bodycon dress, the fire skirt, sex it up, the cleanliness, and even a new pants. Some of us, we even brush twice before we go there. All this effort we put just because of him. But what happened? Bang! The moment you became the wife, you don't get bothered to keep up with your attraction again. The makeup gone, hairstyle gone, your skincare routine is down the drain. You now have that weird odor down below. All those dress to kill is gone because of what? You became too comfortable around your man. It's not a bad idea to be comfortable around. After all, he's your man. Auntie, try and spice things up so that about to die love life you have now will spring back to how you both started it, when that adrenaline was pumping. You know what I mean? When you won't even eat until he returns. If you can spice it up a little bit again, you're going to have his attention again. Number 2, make him go crazily in love with you again by having a likable personality. Be fun and flirty woman with your man. It's not a sin to be flirty with your man. Men love women that they can be comfortable with. Not a rigid and nagging at all type of woman. Not the one that, how are you doing today? Fine. How was work today? Fine. Have you got anything to discuss with me? Nothing. Are you still happy with me? No. Try and initiate conversation that is engaging with him. While you are chatting with him, listen. Don't forget to be touching him. See? Be touching him anywhere that is closer to you. It can be his thigh. Just give it a little rub as you talk. It can be his shoulder, his arm, any part of his body. Just try and be talking and at the same time be engaging by touch. Touch do a lot of magic. Another thing you can do This will lead us to number 3, is to surprise him. Everyone loves surprises that bring pleasant experience. I do. I'm sure you do. You need to shake things up in your relationship from time to time. Do some unexpected little surprises. This will keep him wanting more. Now that you have worked on your hygiene, no foul odors, no great grandma's type of dressing again. Next is to start bringing in some new and kinky surprises to the bedroom. Get good nighty, the sexy style. And you know what? He will start looking for future surprises from you, and this will kindle his interest again in you. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly do so. Don't forget to share this video as well. Share. Thank you. And this leads us to number 4. Call him his name. Call me my name. Pet names are good. Respect names are good, but it's creating a lot of gap between you and your man. Calling him daddy is good, but it is killing your romantic life. Addressing someone by his name, he knows you are focusing on him and him alone. But don't overdo it. Only when you want to go deeply romantic, just call his name. And no, don't call his name in a flat tone. Change your voice as well. Make your voice sweet, slow, cool, in a low tone. This is appealing. Sometimes you can do other things. You can catch him in a corner of the house, or even in the dark, or maybe both of you are sitting together in the garden. Why having conversation on the phone? All you just need to be throwing his name occasionally in the conversation. Using all this method, you will notice immediately he will pay attention to you because you are addressing him directly. And just like the way you both started at the beginning of your togetherness, something like this. Simon? Yes? What is it? Nothing. I just can't stop loving you. Thank you for being there for me. Don't ask for anything. Don't make any requests. All you just need to do, look for an opportunity to squeeze his hand. And the moment you say your words, walk away, smiling genuinely as you walk along. Number 5. Lastly, make him feel like a man around you. Meanwhile, if you haven't watched my video on how to make your man feel like a man around you, it's on here. Go and watch it. It is easy daily applicable steps that I put there. Now back to the point. By activating his manpower spirit, this can make your man regain interest in you again. It will create 3 important drives in him. 1. It will feel appreciated and valued. 2. He will feel respected. And 3. He will feel that he's able to provide for those that he loves. Sister, try to depend on him. Even if you have more than him, even if you have it all, depend on him. It might not be completely, still give him room to be in charge of the relationship. Like next time he buys you clothes, shoes, grocery, don't ever ask him how much he paid for it. All you need to do is appreciate him with a grateful heart. Or next time you need help, don't ask as Madam Superpower. Ask for his help. Remember that your man will appreciate this small act. As a result, you know what it will be? He will start appreciating you as well. Have you learned a thing or two today? Comment down below what else can be useful to get your man back to you. Don't forget to subscribe before you go. Guys, never look down on yourself because you are braver than you believe and smarter than you think. I will see you in the next video.